In this video, I will show you how to create a new Apple ID on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now, first of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apple Account. From here, just tap on Don't Have an Apple Account. Now, just select the range of your age. I will select Adult. Now, in this section, just enter your first name. And in this section, just enter your last name. After you enter your first and last name, now just enter your birthday. After you enter your date of birth, then tap on Continue. Now in this section, just enter your email address. If you do not have an email address, just tap on Don't Have an Email Address. Select Get an iCloud Email Address. Now from here, just create your email address. After you enter your email address, just tap on Continue. Now as you can see, the email address I have entered is already taken, so I will create a new email address. Then tap on Continue. Tap on Create Email Address. Now just create a password for your Apple account. Now just make sure that the password you will create must not contain your first or last name, and it must not contain your date of birth. After you create the password of your Apple account, in this section, just enter the password one more time to confirm your password. After you confirm your password, then tap on Continue. Now from here, just enter your phone number. First of all, just tap on the region and select your region. After you enter your phone number, then select how you want to verify your phone number. I will select text message, then tap on Continue. Now you will receive a text message within a few seconds on the phone number which you have entered. After you receive the text message, just enter the OTP code which you have received in the text message in this section. After you enter the OTP code which you have received on your phone number, then tap on Agree. And as you can see, we have successfully created a new Apple ID on our iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can create a new Apple ID on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.